Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a custom Yomi Hustle character. First, let's ignite your imagination. Think about your character's core identity. Will they be a swift ninja, a powerful brawler, or a tricky wizard? Consider their overall aesthetic and how they might move. A clear vision, including their size and general appearance, will guide your entire creation process, making the next steps much smoother. Next, it's time to bring your character to life visually. You'll use a pixel art program such as Sprite to craft their appearance. Start with a base sprite, typically 128 pixels by 128 pixels. Then, animate their fundamental movements, standing still, moving, jumping, and performing simple attacks. Remember to keep the main body white, as the game will color it for Player 1 and Player 2. With your animations ready, the next step involves integrating them into the game using the Godot engine. This is where you define your character's actions and how they interact. You'll assign your custom animations to different moves, such as a forward dash, a parry, or a low block. This process links your visual art to the character's in-game functionality, giving them their unique combat flow. Finally, it's crucial to rigorously test your new fighter. Launch Yomi Hustle with your character loaded and playtest them thoroughly. Pay close attention to how their animations feel, adjusting timings and hitboxes as needed. You'll also want to fine-tune their damage output, defense, and the cost of any special or super moves to ensure they are fun and balanced for all players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.